behalf of Alliance Women Ministry of the Hmong District, Ntsum Thaiv Vaaj. As I look around in the news or in the community around my neighborhood and read about what's going on in the world, it is heartbreaking and it is depressing. It is also very scary at times. But today my focus is not on COVID-19, but my message today is about being the light of the world. I think there's enough negative things and news out there that I want us to see a different picture. And I want us to look into the positive things, the things that our local Alliance women, that they are doing, that we are doing, that you are doing to make a difference during this very difficult time. And please open your heart to see what God is calling you and I to do for the community, for Bepanjang, for our neighbors, for our schools, because we need to be the hands and the feet. And be you to the water tenji, to be lumblate gulushi hano, Johnny to John do. Ta ne conte, do go shy. Your ministry, ha, tekle no good. Some individual ladies, sisters, Najee, who are doing. I want to thank everyone for just willingly sharing your story, sharing your ministry,